Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare you a very beautiful flower arrangement. It's with sunflowers and a fan palm trees. Branches I cut it, so I made it shorter. I want to decorate. This one, I'm sure everybody knows it's seen it. It belonged to here. So I cut them short so I can do very beautiful arrangement. This arrangement I call it's a fan arrangement. So I cut it 3 pieces, so a little bigger, medium, and shorter the length. So this one is going to be like a fan arrangement. So what we have to do is we're going to start to put like this, and we're going to put one of a little bit further like this way, and here is another. Very simple. This arrangement for people who can't do any arrangement. That's how easy, simple arrangement it is. So, sometimes you can trim a little bit if you want. Let's cut this with this scissor. This is a little extra here. We're gonna cut it and put it like this, like the way you see it. It's going like a fan. So I have already my sunflowers, which I cut them already short. Here you see it, the long ones. I prepared it so it won't take time. So I'm gonna put this, let's see, it's gonna go in front of the fence. So let's see. We need a little taller. Let's cut a little bit the tips here so it becomes a little sharper. Will go easy. Make sure those flowers, they are very thick. It's always good not to forget. This one, it has one of the petal came out, I guess. Let's see, we have here some more. So we'll cut this a little bit sharp. We can leave the leaf on or you can take it out, it doesn't matter. We're gonna put just like front of the fan. This one, I think I should have put it a little bit. Let's make a little shorter. This way. There you go. And one of them, it's gonna be, let's see. This one we will put this way. We're gonna face it front of there. All right, I guess we will put this again a little bit more. Let's cut some more, and we'll put it back this place. Here we go. Look how beautiful it is. Who can think of things like this to do? This is very beautiful arrangement. Now what I cut it here, I have my own succulent plants, which what am I going to do? Because it goes very beautiful with orange color, especially with this. I'm going to put them together here. We're going to make a little bit shorter. I have to say, these succulent plants, you can always plant it back and it will grow for you. Okay, I think I'm going to put one over here to be a little bit taller. There you go. And one we're going to put it this side. This way. I have to make it a little bit sharper here so it can go easier. And these plants, because they are very thick, their branches. And now, what I have in my garden, well, you can take a picture over here, you can show them. I have such a variety of succulent plants, and this one, it has to go with this. Here, let's cut a little bit shorter and sharper. And look how beautiful it is. Now, because we have variety color like this is its own thread. So what I'm going to put here, see, if every direction you can see beautiful flower. Now I think I'm gonna add one more here, even though it goes around like this. Let's put another small one. Let's see. Well, this is, it's okay that we can bend this down. The petal can be hide that it's missing, which is fine. And look at this arrangement. What a beautiful arrangement it is. Now I have, because look, it's already just like this. When you put on the table, every corner you can see. Now I'm not gonna put any greenish, but I'm gonna put few baby bread, just to give a little bit accent, a little bit color with the darkness. Let's see, where is my scissor nipper? Yeah, sometimes I hold my nipper different direction. Okay. We just need very, very little pieces, not too much. Just very little accent to be. Very 2-3 thread in it. And I love this original, beautiful. Let me put a couple more here. The top. Let's see. All right, let me see. I think it is beautiful the way it is. I'm just gonna put just a few more like this. It will be more eye-catching. And let's put one, the bottom part. And this is very, very simple, plain, beautiful arrangement. Well, I hope you like this arrangement. I call fan arrangement. It's beautiful, simple, easy, and I hope you'll try it and you will enjoy it as a centerpiece on the table, or to give a little beautiful present to anybody. Well, thanks a lot again. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. It's original, beautiful arrangement. Thank you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.